Well friends, here is one more problem based on same direction. Problem number 71. We have to find the mirror image for this given figure. Okay, the thing is, yes, you can draw on the question paper itself, divide the given figure into two parts and then go for drawing the mirror image. The same technique I am going to use here. First I will draw that figure. Next, one more curve, a small curve like this, and one more curve like this. So this is the given figure and a mirror is placed here. Next, as I said, divide this given figure into two parts. Call this as first part, this as second part. Now what happens in the mirror image? This first part becomes second part, okay, and this second part becomes first part. Okay, let us draw the figure. So this will appear like this. Next, yes, you have to what you have to do, yes, this one is to be drawn like this. Okay, draw this curve. Is there anything left? Nothing. So this is the mirror image of this given figure. And just compare this with the given alternatives. If you see the first option is not at all matching with this one. That's why first option is wrong. Easily you can identify first option is facing in that direction, but the mirror image is facing in this direction. That means first option is wrong. Moving to second option is somewhat similar, but if you observe carefully this part, this part has to touch this triangle, but it is not touching to that triangle. That means option 2 also wrong. Some other parts are also missing, but using that I can eliminate second option. Now moving to third option. In the third option you can clearly see that it is exactly matching with our figure. Therefore option 3 is the right option. So this is how we solve this example. Once you got the correct option, there is no need to check other remaining options. Just take that and move to next problem. The same thing, yes, I am going to do.